Items required for changing lamps in a Digieye 700 Cube. 2 VeriVide D65 Digieye lamps. 1 crosshead screwdriver. Important: isolate mains voltage by switching off and unplugging at socket. Remove the power cord at the back of the cube. Per side, there are 8 machine screws to be removed. Put screws and washers somewhere safe for reuse. Rotate lamp shield to aid easy and safe removal of the glass lamp. Using both hands, twist to rotate lamp and lift out of lamp holders. Clean shield inside and out before replacing the lamp. Carefully remove the new lamp from the packaging. Align the pins to match the orientation of the lamp holders. Double-click 90-degree rotation to secure the lamps into the holders. Clean the reflector on the back of the door. Hold the door into place whilst fixing with one screw. Repeat the procedure for the other side. Reconnect mains power and test correct operation of lamps. After replacing lamps, always reset the lamp service counter. Please refer to the manual for the correct procedure here.